Over 10 years ago, Pilates took the industry by storm, but in recent years, Pilates has grown to be one of the most well-known fitness systems in the nation.
I think they're helping seniors because nobody wants to be isolated, and once they've retired and they're staying home all the time, if they're not getting out and socializing with other people, then they're kind of losing touch with what's happening. They need to be physically active to maintain their muscle and bones and everything to keep everything working properly.
Emphasizing on developing core strength and flexibility, which could otherwise decline, Pilates has made senior citizen Susan Relia become more aware of her body.
I wanted to improve my strength and balance and stamina. I can see the benefits when I do walking, just my tolerance for everyday activities, going up and down stairs, that sort of thing.
Can you believe that all it takes are these small 2-pound balls to create balance and shoulder strength? But what makes Pilates stand out among all other exercise programs?
Staying healthier and being more mobile for sure, and just being able to, like I said, being able to improve the day-to-day functions, which helps improve life anyways, just because then you're able to do more. It relieves back pain for people, shoulder pain, if there's any knee issues going on, it sometimes helps relieve that as well. So then in turn that helps with living better without pain, pain-free and longer and more functional.
Pilates are for all ages, and everyone can reap the many benefits Pilates has to offer.
Many seniors today are healthier than they've ever been in their lives, and we're reaping the benefits of good lifestyle, good nutrition, good preventative health care, etc. So yeah, we shouldn't be underestimated.